Hello, my name's Jenny Luscombe and I'm a facilitator of healing and a very passionate advocate for self-healing. I just wanted to make a very quick video about war and conflict energy. So I just went to see the film How to Train Your Dragon with my daughter yesterday, and as what usually happens when I go and watch kids films, I end up blubbing at the message from the universe that comes through. And in a very sort of basic summary, the Vikings were killing the dragons for eons and eons, and they never questioned it. They just killed the dragons. The dragons got on their nerves and caused chaos for them, so they just waged war on the dragons, and that's what their life consisted of. Until one of the kids, who happened to be the son of the chief, he didn't want to fight the dragons, and he tamed a dragon in secret, and he was afraid of the dragon at first and spent most of his life wishing that he would kill a dragon like his dad wanted him to, but he just couldn't do it. And the reason was because he, in the moment of feeling afraid of the dragon, he realized that the dragon was also afraid of him, and he felt like the dragon was like himself. And eventually this kid taught all the other kids to tame the dragons and to be the dragon's friends and for them to live in harmony. And that changed the entire situation for the village, and in beautiful cosmic perfection and perfect contrast, the Vikings no longer were living their lives based on waging war against the dragons. They lived in peace and harmony, and the dragons became their friends, and everything changed. So when you really look at conflict and war energy, hatred energy, if you looked up hatred in the dictionary, it would basically say hatred is when you push somebody or something away that is different to you, and you have no intention of trying to understand that different person or that different thing. You just cancel them, you push them away, and there's separation as opposed to unity. And this keeps war and conflict energy alive. So what solves conflict and war energy is really so simple. It's so simple. It's the energy of oneness. It's seeing the difference in the other, and instead of pushing that difference away, having a meeting of minds, fostering understanding, bringing that otherness close and making it a part of yourself, realizing that you can't hurt the other without ultimately hurting yourself. And seeing that when someone is afraid of you, there's a reflection. You're also afraid of them. What if we all lean into that fear? What if we all try to understand the fear that the other has? What if we see sameness instead of difference? Something to think about.